Hey guys, the Ghost of Tsushima is having trouble launching or starting on PC. Here's how to fix it in under 2 minutes. Open up Steam, right click Ghost of Tsushima, hit Properties, Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let that finish, it'll fix any corrupted files. Once that's done, if you're still having issues, right click the game, Manage, Browse Local Files, right click Ghost of Tsushima.exe, and select Run as Administrator. Hit Yes on the pop up. If it's still having issues after you're done validating, right-click Ghost of Tsushima, go to Manage, Browse Local Files, right-click the Ghost of Tsushima.exe, select Properties, Compatibility, and select Run this program as an administrator. After that box is checked, hit Apply, OK, and try and start the game. If that's not working, right-click Ghost of Tsushima, go to Properties, and in the launch options, type -launcher. Then start the game. When the launcher app comes up, go to Options, and make sure frame generation is set to off. Hit OK, and play the game. And that's how to fix Ghost of Tsushima if it's not launching on PC. If you found this useful, let me know down below.